massive wildfire that has forced the evacuation of all 88,000 people from the western Canadian oil city of Fort McMurray and burned down 1,600 structures has the potential to destroy much of the town, authorities said. With a few neighborhoods already in ruins, worsening fire conditions on Wednesday pushed walls of flames towards thousands of more homes in the northeastern Alberta town in the heart of Canada's oil sands region. Authorities said there had been no known casualties from the blaze itself, but fatalities were reported in at least one car crash among the evacuees. Thousands bunked down in arenas, hockey rinks and oil work camps, often short of fuel and food.